Hello guys. A lot of times I go to meetings with people, and when I hear some questions I get ideas of creating videos for you. Apparently something that they didn't know in this group I want to share with you today, just to show you how it's working. There is always the discussion about using existing posts. For example, you do a post and then you use it so that you can keep all the engagement. We don't have this luxury with dynamic ads because dynamic ads are doing several combinations. We cannot keep any of those because there are so many, okay? There are hundreds, if not thousands of combinations, especially if you use 10 creatives, 5 headlines, 5 primary text. You can understand that the combinations here are a lot. So a lot of times people, they have an idea of something that is working. For example, when you break down the results of your dynamic ads, and they do it as an actual post. And then they are using the post. Why is this happening? In order to have credibility. You know, the more you are using this post, the more you are having comments and stuff on it. You are monitoring, you are hiding the bad engagement from the good engagement, and you're keeping something that people are talking about your product below, and it's more effective. But let me show you how to do it. First of all, if you're having one campaign, I would like to show you how you can actually preview one of your ads. So let's pick one campaign here. Let's go to the ads level, edit it. And by clicking here, you can click share and Facebook post with comments. When you click on that, it's going to open a new one, which is going to show your post. Now, when you're doing ads, let's create one dummy Let's create one dummy campaign here, one conversion. Let's press continue, and let's go immediately on the ad level just to see that. You can come here and of course not in dynamic creative ads. Let me pick also pixels so that there's not going to be an issue. Okay, and you're not checking the dynamic ads of course, but you can come here and you can use existing post. Okay, it's here. Now the way to do it is either to select the post from the page that you want. Okay, it's showing you here when it was created and which one it is. But also you can enter the post ID. And this is something that a lot of people don't know how to do. So if you're on your page and you have your post ID, you can go to your page and you can click on top, and you can see on the URL that we have two numbers over here. It's this one and this one. I'm strongly suggesting you to put both. One of them is not going to work. I know which one it is, but I'm just saying it's going to be easier for you. You might go and you might check the ad ID, and you're going to put it here and it's not going to work. You can do nothing about that, okay? You cannot use this post. But if you go into your Facebook page and you scroll down to your ads and whatever, let's click on this one, for example, and we can see here that we have this code over here. So if we copy this one and we put it here, and then we press submit, it's going to give us another number, okay? So we're clicking this one now, and you will see that it's going to solve the problem, and we are able now to use the post that we actually want. So don't try to take the post by just sharing view post with comments. You don't want to do that. Sometimes it's working also like this, but don't do it like this. Instead of that, create a new post into your page which is going to be visible there, and try to build on that in order for this, even when your ads are going to start failing and you are not going to be able to produce good results with them, at least all of this engagement, the good engagement, is going to stay as a post on the page. For me, the best process is this. Do dynamic creative ads. See which combination is working the best, then do it as a post into your page, and then start using also this. Why? Because it's going to help you scale. You're going to have your dynamic ads, you're going to have your post ID ads, you are going to have lookalikes, you're going to have more options and more campaigns. And you know that in this channel we are all about several campaigns in order for you to be able to scale. If you want to learn more about Facebook and Instagram ads, don't forget about my book or my free course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.